I've been testing HeyGen throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased review on whether it's actually worth using. HeyGen is an AI video generator that lets you create studio-quality videos without stepping in front of a camera. You just type a script, pick an avatar, and the tool generates a presenter-style video for you in multiple languages. It's a game changer if you want to create tutorials, ads, or product explainers quickly. The avatar movement and voice quality have improved a lot this year, and the addition of voice cloning makes the output feel more natural and branded. The interface is clean, the customization options are decent, and you don't need editing experience to get results. But there are a few trade-offs. The rendering time can still be slow depending on your internet speed and video length. And while voice quality is good, it sometimes lacks emotional tone in longer content. Also, to unlock advanced features like multiple avatars, voice cloning, and translation, you need to pay for higher plans, which may not be ideal if you're just starting out. Still, if you're creating content regularly and want to speed things up without sacrificing quality, HeyGen is one of the strongest AI video tools out there. I hope this review helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.